In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Yahoo account's language to its default setting. This is a straightforward process that can make your Yahoo experience more seamless, especially if you're dealing with an unexpected language switch. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to visit the Yahoo login page. Open up your preferred web browser and type in login.yahoo.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Yahoo sign-in portal. Once you land on this page, you'll see a field prompting you for your email address. Go ahead and enter the email address that you have associated with your Yahoo account. It's crucial to ensure that there are no typos here because any error could prevent you from logging in. Once you've double-checked your email address, locate the Next button and give it a click. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Carefully input your password, making sure every character is correct. After you've done this, hit the Next button once more to log into your account. Congrats! You're now logged into your Yahoo account. Now that you're in, let's head over to the Personal Information section. Typically, you can find this by clicking on your profile icon. This icon is usually situated in the top right corner of your screen. When you click it, a drop-down menu should appear. From here, look for the option labeled Personal Info and click on it. In the Personal Info section, you'll want to search for an option called Update Language. This next step is where we'll make the adjustments to reset your language preferences. Click on Update Language and under Preferred Language, you'll spot a menu icon. This icon is often depicted as a small arrow or a drop-down symbol. Click it to reveal a list of the available languages. Take your time to review this list and find the language that works best for you or the one you want to set as the default. Click on your preferred language from the list. After you make your selection, take a quick moment to ensure that your choice is highlighted or otherwise confirmed within the interface. The final step is to save your changes. Look for the option that says Save Updates and click on it. This action will make sure your new language settings are stored and take effect for your account. And just like that, you're done. Your Yahoo account is now set to your chosen language, which should make navigating and using Yahoo's features much more intuitive. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you need to make further adjustments or changes to your preferences. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy browsing with your newly set language.